Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. We're really happy you're here today because this lesson is going to help you unlock one of the most important skills in English learning. If you often translate in your head before speaking, or if you feel slow when trying to express your ideas, today's episode is exactly what you need.
Hey guys, yes, this is a big moment in your learning journey. Many learners study vocabulary and grammar for a long time, but they still struggle to speak fluently because they are translating from their native language into English. That process takes time and creates hesitation. Today, we're going to change that.
That's right. Today's topic is Think in English, 100 Daily Sentences to Stop Translating. Our goal is to help you build a new habit, thinking directly in English without translating.
And don't worry, we'll keep everything simple and natural. You don't need difficult words, you just need clear, useful sentences that you can use in your daily life.
Let's begin with a simple idea. Thinking in English doesn't mean you suddenly become perfect. It means you start using English for small thoughts during your day.
Exactly. For example, instead of thinking in your language and then translating, you can think directly. What should I do now?
Or, I need to finish this before I relax.
Another simple one. I'm a little tired, but I can continue.
Let me try again more carefully. Now let's expand this idea into your morning routine. Imagine you just woke up.
You might think, I need to get out of bed now.
I don't want to be late today.
I should get ready quickly.
Maybe I'll have coffee first.
I feel a bit sleepy, but I'll wake up soon.
These are very simple thoughts, but they are powerful because they help your brain get used to English naturally. Now let's move to daily actions.
I'm going to start my work now. Let me check my messages. I need to organize my tasks.
I'll do this step by step.
This might take some time. Notice how all these sentences are simple. That's the key. Thinking in English is not about complex grammar. It's about clarity and repetition.
I can handle this.
Yes, if your thoughts are simple, your speech becomes faster.
Now let's practice thinking during work or study.
I need to focus right now.
Let me understand this step by step.
This is a little difficult, but I'll try.
I'm learning something new.
I'm getting better little by little.
Mistakes are part of learning.
I won't give up.
Now let's talk about emotions and reactions. These are very important because we feel them all the time.
I feel happy about this.
That surprised me.
I'm a bit nervous, but it's okay.
I feel relaxed right now.
I'm proud of myself.
I need a short break.
Everything will be okay.
Let's now move into a longer, natural conversation where both of us try to think in English.
Hey Emma, what are you thinking about right now?
I'm thinking about what I need to finish today. I want to use my time well and stay focused.
That sounds productive. Do you ever notice when you translate in your head?
Yes, sometimes I do, especially when I'm tired or stressed, but I try to stop and think directly in English again.
That's a good strategy. I think awareness is the first step. When you notice it, you can correct it.
Exactly. And I've realized something important. When I use simple sentences, it's much easier to think in English.
I agree. If we try to think in complex sentences, we get stuck, but simple thoughts flow naturally.
For example, instead of thinking a long sentence, I just think, I need water, or I'm tired, or let me check this.
Yes, those small thoughts are very powerful. They train your brain every day.
And the best part is we can practice anytime, while walking, eating, working, or even relaxing.
That's what makes this method so effective. It becomes part of your life.
I also feel more confident when I think in English. I don't hesitate as much when I speak.
That's true. When your thoughts are already in English, speaking becomes much easier.
Let's continue with more thinking sentences.
What should I do next? Let me try again. I need to improve this part.
That was a good result.
I can do better next time.
I learned something today.
I'm moving forward.
I believe in myself. Now let's imagine a real-life situation where you practice thinking in English throughout your day.
You wake up and think, it's time to start my day.
You get ready and think, I need to be quick.
You go to work and think, I have a lot to do today.
During work, let me focus on one thing at a time. If something is difficult, I'll try my best. At lunch, I need a break. In the evening, I did my best today. Before sleep, tomorrow is another chance. You can see how this creates a full day of English thinking without stress. Yes, and over time, this habit becomes automatic. Before we finish, here's your challenge. For one full day, try to think in English as much as possible. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep going. Start small, use short sentences, build slowly, and repeat your thoughts. Repetition builds fluency. Remember, fluency starts in your mind before it comes out in your voice. Trust the process and stay consistent. That's it for today's episode. We hope this lesson helps you think faster and speak more naturally. Keep practicing every day and keep improving step by step. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone. Take care.